I'm privileged to be standing here with one of our brothers, Brother Trevor.
You, Dennis. That's
You're
me.
Dennis. Bless you.
Nice to meet you, Pastor.
Now, you are here from what country?
From London, England.
From London, England. So go ahead and give your greetings in your own way.
Well, greetings to everybody on internet, TV. I am coming from London, England. I was born in London, and that's where we have a church, Pillar of Faith Ministries of the Pentecostal Assemblies of the world, and we're so glad to be here with you.
Now, tell us a little bit about what it is to be here in the U.S. and to be able to come together in fellowship.
Well, in actual fact, I'm not a new person to the United States. I've been coming here for years as an evangelist. So in that capacity, I've worked with churches in the United Pentecostal Church Stream. I've worked with churches that are in the Pentecostal Assemblies of the world, and also non-apostolic churches. And I'm just blessed to be here. I'm glad to be with you.
Well, we thank you for taking the time. Now tell us a little bit about the Spirit of the Lord and how it relates to those that are receiving it there. Everyone's worship experience is different. You asked me earlier how we praise and worship, but give us a little bit of, one, inspiration, and two, insight of what it's like in your service.
Well, I think around about now, we have... I believe that apostolic worship, there is nothing like it. It stands out from everything else. So when I go to some churches, it's like being in the church of the first fridge. But when you come to an apostolic church, you're talking about a fire church. You're talking about a church where the Spirit of the Lord is moving. And more than that, you're talking about healings, signs, wonders, and miracles. That's what it means to be in an apostolic service. And I'm sure you may have tasted something like that. We have great preachers. We have great teachers, but we need more laborers, especially, you know, the United States has a particular blessing when it comes to the music department. And there are lots of churches within the UK, apostolic churches, that may not even have their own musician. So if you're in the music field, you need to be signing up with us, maybe to come on short-term missions, or when you have holidays, or if you'd like a 6-month stay or something like that, maybe that's what you need to be considering, is coming to us in London, England, or throughout the UK and being a part of what we're doing, especially if you're musically talented.
Tremendous, tremendous. So for all you musicians out there, and for those that are listening, you know what to pray for. They need workers. The Bible says the harvests are plenty, but the laborers are few. It's time for laborers to step up, take your forefront, join IMD, and make a difference. Pastor?
Yes, sir.
God bless you. Thank you so much for stopping by.
It's been great.
And we look forward to what God's going to do.